Hi, and welcome to Deep Papa's Living a Flip-Flop Life. In today's episode, I'm going to be welcoming our new customers into TrafficWave Generator. Just launched yesterday on the 25th of July. Very excited. We've got deal of the day, and I've also updated our actual sales page where we're showing off the fact that we've got a nice little deal of the day today. Okay. Now we are closing into 5,000 happy customers. It's really powerful. Users are very happy. And this is one of our best traffic tools that you're going to find online that has to do with traffic from Pinterest. So basically, let me give you a quick rundown on what this actual software does. It actually takes any link that you have or keywords and creates pins for you based on descriptions, titles included, also your affiliate links or your website's domains. You you can create video pins this year. This is our newest features. We've got video templates you can work with. We have a media library you can upload. We've got many cool features. Basically, what I'd like everybody to do once you get started with TrafficWave is to basically come into the training area where we have a whole section on where to start, how to start, a little bit of proof of results, how this actually works, the setup, the software setup, and then you need API keys. So yes, you need ChatGPT to make this work. It's just an API key. Get an account and get that API key. It takes about 2 minutes to set up. You get to do the same thing for your image search settings. You add Unsplash and Pexels on there, free APIs that you can get. Google API key, Unsplash setup, Amazon setup, get an API from Amazon if you want to become an affiliate and you want to grab our upgrades for that specific offer. But we're allowing you to also create your own templates. It's another upsell which has to do with the branding and the video template design tool that's part of the Video Pro. That gives you also templates, video templates you can be using and to be pushing over to Pinterest. You can import from Canva. It's part of an upsell. Adding your images as part of an upsell. And we have a different a section where you can choose offers that our software finds you offers to go out, get your links, build campaigns with. I'm showing you how to start your first campaign wave thing, video pin generator setup, calendar wave setup, where it's a new feature as well, where you can be scheduling manually and creating within. I'll show you in a bit. I've got a full campaign set up for ClickBank and affiliate offers, building a real foundation using Pinterest and getting free built-in traffic, and also just putting everything to using TrafficWave the proper way from beginning to end, and showing you like in under 20 minutes you can have a full-blown site ready up with free traffic from Pinterest, from our software, and it looks good. Okay, and this will help you generate results, as in commissions from the traffic that you're going to be gaining. The offers is your choice. How you create the content for this is your choice. Using our software will help you, but it's still your method of promoting that's going to help you be successful. Be consistent, persistent, and it will come around. I'm going to show you how to promote affiliate offers with no domains or hosting, how to promote affiliate offers using GrooveFunnels, for example, Amazon, how to promote affiliate offers on Amazon, how to claim your websites, high ticket training to promote high ticket offers, telling you about about Pinterest suspensions, what you shouldn't do, new features and updates, and the upgrades, etc. So this is the step number one that you need to go in. It's solid training. It's good training. It's done by me. After that, once you've learned everything, once you've set up your settings with your APIs, it takes a couple of minutes, you come into your wave campaigns and you start a new wave campaign. Now on here is it's basically you creating a campaign from scratch. Okay, so the way that this works is that you're going to be also connecting your account, your Pinterest account, really easily by connecting it. We are approved by Pinterest to use this to connect with their API for you to with your account. So you create your account really easily, and then just come in and start creating a wave campaign. For this demo, I'm going to show you an image campaign, and I'll show you a video pin campaign as well. So let's say we wanted to promote a specific offer on, I don't know, let's just do TrafficWave Generator. Okay, so I'm going to be promoting TrafficWave Generator, and I'm going to be posting 30 30 days for 30 days if I'd like, or I can choose. And I want to post 5, or if you'd like, and you don't want to, Pinterest doesn't, if you're a new account, we wouldn't suggest doing 10. I'm doing 5, and this is the best practices kind of thing. All right. So you have 2 options here to choose from. If you've upgraded to the video pins, you can choose the videos or the images. Now, video pins are animated video pins, just like you would see on Canva or even on Pinterest. You'll see a lot of those, and this is what captures a lot of attention. But first, let me show you the version that we came out with of why this is powerful, the images, and then we'll do a video pin design as well, which takes really quickly. Okay, so what we're doing here is we'll do this. You have the option of just searching images, see what you choose and you like before you start posting, or just go with it. All right. Now, the basic image search, it's important that you understand that inside the training, I have a section where I'm explaining very detailed on how to actually, in creating your first campaign, I have a section about the traffic generator keyword section. Okay, this is very important because this is going to help you create the perfect images that our software will pull out so it looks good. Okay, so we have these types of these things, that you can choose and work with. Okay, so I actually created a GPT to help you in your campaigns. I'm going to put this in the training area too. I just created this for my TrafficWave users. If you got ChatGPT, you're going to be able to use this easily. Okay, so basically, I just created my TrafficWave Generator keyword mate. Okay, you're going to get access to this. So let's go to the new chat. So what you're going to do is click on this. And I'm going to go ahead and basically what you're going to do is just paste your link. All right. So if we're promoting TrafficWave Generator, I'm going to paste my link. Now I've fed this GPT with the right information so it can spit out the proper image keywords that you're going to be using. All right, so we've got everything right here. I've got everything on my keywords. You can take them here. So if I go to my campaigns, and as we were creating our campaign, I'm going to go to basic image search. I'm going to put that, okay? But I'm going to make sure creating Pinterest pins on laptop, person dashboard on screen, group celebrating growth chart on screen. It's got everything is ready. I just copy pasted. I'm going to choose the account that I want to push this on. So I've got my TrafficWave Generator account specifically to promote this offer. I've got my boards that I can build and I can create from here. I can create my keywords. So this is basically the keywords of the offer that you're promoting. Okay. So we're going to put the website of the offer. And some context of that. So basically, if you visit the site, you're going to be able to get some context of what this is. So let me just say, I'm going to take that. I'm going to come into my campaigns and paste it in here. I'm going to submit. So the built-in ChatGPT is going to build you titles, 100, maybe more, and 50. If you want more, you just click on it and click on it again. It's going to give you maybe another 50, another 20, depends. Basically, whatever, you should match the number of titles with the images that you want to create. So if it creates 50, it's going to just create 50 images. If you want to do 100 and stuff, do 100. Okay, so we did 93, that's fine. I'm going to go ahead and submit this as well. I'm just clicking again. I'm not doing any changes. It's the same thing. It's now creating pinned descriptions where now these descriptions, these titles are based on the offer of the URL you just gave our software, created these descriptions, you can see right here. And then I'm going to also add the website. So since this is my website, I have TrafficWave Generator. I've claimed this on Pinterest. My account is right here. I've claimed my site and I'm building it, okay, promoting my offer. Where else would it? This should have been done last year. I don't know why I never really pushed into promoting TrafficWave Generator using Pinterest. I did through my affiliate. I'm like, why didn't I create a new account? And I did. And then I did this 7 days ago, and I'm already getting interaction with it. That's where on the sales page, you're going to see real case study based on the data you just saw. Okay, from a brand new account. All right, right here. And I show you the dates, and it's based on the analytics that I downloaded, and I gave it the system to give me this information right here, which is pretty cool. Okay, so basically in about on the sixth day, I started getting 110. And if I go into my account now, that's grown as well, because in the last 7 days, if I go to my analytics, and this is a brand new account using my software, I'm not doing anything else. Okay, if I go to, you see, this is if I go to last 24 hours, look at that, last 24 hours. If I do last 7 days, look at that. Okay, a brand new account. This has grown tremendously since the time I created that sales page, which was yesterday. Okay, I need to update it actually with the newest details, which is pretty impressive. So this is from the free traffic that I'm creating from the exact same thing that I'm showing you right now. So what we're doing here is images for this one. Okay, so right now I'm going to choose a template group that I want. Like I've got all these different ones, okay, that I can basically use. So let me do one with big background image. Let me see my account. Am I on the right account? Let me see. Pinterest account, TrafficWave Generator. Maybe I can do more, even Amazon KDP. I've got some setup right there. I can even put, this is part of an upsell where you can put your actual link or URL. You can choose a branding palette that you can choose from, and you can add a logo if you'd like. Okay, so I think I'm good. I'm going to click on save, and this is going to start running. Now, what this means is like it's creating pins for me for my campaign. All right, so once it's done, for example, I'm going to be able to check it out. And for example, let me go. Well, this one is pretty, let me just refresh and let it run, and then I'll come back when it's done. So right now it's generating my pins. Okay, so it found images. Now it's going out to generate my pins. If I go in here, I can start seeing some of these pins that I've created. Now this is pretty cool because I'm just picking up expose the on Autopilot. You can see everything right here. This is an example of a pin that's going to be posted and everything like that. So it's generated. Some won't be perfect, okay? And if it's not perfect, you can actually delete it, and then you can move on and check out the rest, all right? Some of them might not work perfectly. You can edit the templates and fix them if you'd like. So let's say that's not good, and then maybe this, unleash the wave, propel your reach. That's pretty cool. Okay, so it's all based on the keywords that my GPT just created for me, so it makes better images stand out, and I'm very happy with the results that I'm actually getting right now. Like I said, some won't be perfect. This is not the perfect software, but it does what it does, and it actually has an impact. You can actually fix this based on the templates. You can edit the templates you have. Some of them, like I said, might not make the right design of the templates that we have for you. You can sit and create your own little templates one by one. What I just did here is just pick whatever I had already, and then if I went in and did it slowly, but look, before you get the traffic to your offers, this is enticing. People are going to want to click on it, and it does work 100%. Okay, so right now, this is actually working in the background. It's creating, and then once it's done, it's going to start publishing my pins over to Pinterest. Now, this is part of my monthly Done For You Club. The monthly Done For You Club is where you get some Done For You ClickBank offers, and you also get the accounts when you're doing your waves to be pushed over into your Pinterest account. You won't be able to do it with any of the other features, but with the monthly, you're going to be able to do it on Autopilot. So I don't need to go take a CSV file like I would if it was, once it's done, once it's completed, what I can do is export this CSV file, okay, into Pinterest. Okay, so I get my exports, and then everything in my exports area is all fixed up so that Pinterest knows, and it will take all the information and will schedule it and push it. Okay, so now we've created this. This is going to go out. The first post we're going to be seeing sometime soon on my Pinterest account that I have here on for TrafficWave Generator. Okay, the more I create, the more traffic I'm going to be getting from Pinterest. The more I'm clean, the more I'm actually I've got my domain, the more views I'm going to be getting, and so forth. You can actually follow this account so you can see how this is going to be growing, since it's going to be pushing automated traffic over here. Okay, so like I said, now we've got our video generator software that it creates animated videos. And right now I did a lot of basic stuff, but even the basic stuff actually worked just fine. Okay, simple animated grabs attention. Okay, it grabs your attention. It might not be perfect because I was using just one image, but if you sit down and fix it, then believe me, you can start seeing really a big impact on the way that your videos look. Okay, again, not all will be perfect. Some will be really good, some of them won't, but you can come in and fix it. Okay, you can come in and edit, but you can look at this. It saves time and money with TrafficWave Generator 2, and then it does that and it touches. So the software actually puts things right based on the different types of videos that I have here. But look at this, I'm getting views. It's not this is free traffic, 6 here engagement, one clicked on this one clicked on that one. So imagine, like, look at this one, automate your business account with so this is all created, this is animated, and it works. So somebody clicks on it, like if somebody came to this, like say let me see here. You see, look, I've got the title, it's got a little bit of description, and then it's got the site that takes you over to the site. Okay, this is how I'm also selling. I'm getting free traffic over to this site. Okay, so do you understand the power of this at all? I'm just saying. Okay, so with that being said, this is now publishing my pins. And if I go to one of them, it's in queue and ready to get through. Now I can come in here and I can delete the ones that I find that might not make sense, that doesn't look good, or just leave it. It doesn't really matter. You're not going to be hurt by Pinterest if something is not right. Okay, they don't care. As long as you're getting eyeballs, impressions, people clicking on your links, then you're good to go. Okay, and you will see that as soon as you start posting. Give it some time, but keep on posting. Okay, so that's basically the wave campaign for the image part. Now let's move on to our creation of creating video pins based on this as well. So again, same idea, wave generator, video pins, new. Okay, I'm gonna do 5 video pins. Make sure that when you're choosing this pin type, we want to choose videos for this specific campaign. And we want to choose basically active. And again, we can leave the information here that we had before. It's the same thing, or you can change it. It's up to you. And then my Pinterest account that I'm going to be posting, again, TrafficWave, my post. I'm going to put it on this group right here and get some new things for it. Again, TrafficWave Generator. One click traffic and content for Pinterest that drives free organic traffic back to your websites, offers, Amazon products, and submit. Okay, so I changed it a little bit differently from the other one. Let ChatGPT create it. Basically, what's going to do, it's going to go onto the URL that I gave it, or the keywords that I'm giving it, and then it's going to create basically a whole title, description, and it doesn't matter what niche you're doing, what offer you're doing, it's still going to go out there and create these pins and descriptions for it. So let's allow it to create. And then I'm going to put my website. Add slugs to it. Everything works. Okay, this is fine. And we can come here and choose. I've got my own little templates that I've created before. Let me see, which one should I get? Let me do the video test case study one. And let me put TrafficWave Generator. Okay, I'm going to use some color for this and save. And again, this is running. Now we've got the type, which is video, duration 30 days. This is going to start posting at about 9, so don't expect me to show you anything here. But I'm going to show you that it's going to start creating my pins, the videos now, etc. Okay, so I'm waiting for that to finish, and I'll show you the end result. And just like that, it's generating my pins, not just one, but many. It's very important that you understand that this is powerful because it's doing a lot. Now, because it's videos, it's going to take a little while to show right there. Right now, it's actually finding the different types of images it might be using inside the campaign, okay, which you can come in and edit if you'd like, if you don't like something that you're seeing, etc. Okay, so this campaign is generating. We're going to give it a little bit of more time. And then once it's done, it's going to say it's publishing these pins. And now these pins are going to be republishing on the time frame that I gave it. Okay, sometimes there might be some downtimes from Pinterest, the API, but other than that, everything else is going to be published. And once it's published, you're going to come in and you're going to be able to see the published video that it created. Okay, so here it is, the one that it created from my software. I didn't do anything, but it created a video. And then you can click on this and then it takes them over to the offer, etc. Okay, so that's the bottom line of how this is being created. Now look, if you go around, you can see some similar tools from other people doing the same thing. Okay, like even Netflix or okay, so this is being used all over. This is very engaging. This is why we brought it up this year. Things are a lot easier, and it's like Pinterest traffic software. Like, how crazy is that? And people are going to want to come and visit and share maybe. Okay, so it's all about you grabbing attention, sharing it from Pinterest, getting even more traffic to it, okay, and doing what you need to be doing. It's that simple. And then our software is just building it for us on Autopilot. I can't explain how easy this is. I'm just churning out content just like that by clicking a couple of buttons. I haven't done much, okay? So this is going to go out, it's going to create, and it's going to push it over into my accounts. Now, other than that, this is basically what TrafficWave Generator does. And this is something that actually does work, okay? I've shown you that this account that I created not even 7 days ago, for the specific reason for me to create a couple pins so I can share them on my sales page, it's actually getting me the results that I've been promising for everybody else is using it. And again, if I go into my analytics, okay, I haven't been doing it for 30 days. I actually been doing it for 7 days. And in the last 24 hours, I'm getting these types of impressions. The more you get on there, the more they're going to be going. I mean, you can see the total impressions from one of them, and it's just growing as it goes. Okay, now I can take these and I can promote them if I want. I can do all these things. It's you can't imagine. All right. So basically, if I wanted to take this information, I'm gonna export. I'm gonna save it, and I'm gonna update my sales page with information that I'm getting, because every day this actually grows. From any account that you create, you're gonna see the same types of results. Okay. Now this is another example of my other account that I have that I've been using TrafficWave Generator for the past over a year now. But you can see that, you know, just the last 30 days after I started posting again because of the TrafficWave Generator 2 testing out things, I've been doing this, we were testing the software. It just blew up my account. Okay, it blew up my account. You can see that everything is 175% up, 55% up, 500% up, 800% up. It's crazy how this is just growing. Okay, every day for the last 7 days, for the last 14 days. Look at that. The last 14 days, 1.5 thousand impressions. Last 21 days, last 30 days. Okay, last 60 days. Last 90, and so forth. Okay, so it's and look, it's all organic. Okay, it's not paid. I don't think I created any paid ones. Okay, maybe paid. I earned 9 impressions from ads. That's it. Everything else has been organic. Okay, organic traffic every day since I started. Okay, so I'm telling you right now, well, it doesn't matter what account you put where you're promoting, this is how everything works with TrafficWave Generator. Okay, let me do last 30 days on this and get some information so I can put this on the site. Okay, so I've got many accounts driving traffic to different types of things that I've got online. Okay, and it works. So I'd like you to test it out. Go ahead, pick it up from my links below if you'd like, from any affiliate that's promoting it. We're around here, we're promoting it hard because this is something that works. We've been updating it, we've been giving fresh training, we've been giving our customers the full support that they need. It's just me and Alex doing support, and we're very proud of this software. Okay, so last year this software actually sold over 3,500 copies, and yesterday we launched it. We're already crossing the 350 sales in one day, and we have another 5 days before we bring up the price. So other than that, I hope you enjoyed this full-on demo walkthrough on everything that we're basically offering, and plus the fact that we've updated this tool with many features that you saw me create. It's all part of the features that we're offering, etc. And I'll create more videos in the next few days for using the other tools, like the Amazon tool is very powerful. I'd like you to see that one as well. And other than that, anything else that you might want to ask me, go ahead, comment below, hit that bell notification for more videos, and let me know if you're a user. Are you enjoying it? If you're not, why are you still on the sidelines? Do you have any objections? Let me help you generate some content and get some free traffic. Okay, you can test it out. You got 30 days to test it out. I'm telling you, you're going to see results almost in the next 24 hours. Some of them even 24 hours, some of them in a few days, and the real results come in a week later for sure. Okay, talk to you soon.